Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we take a look at Daily Life of Hee-dong blind box. I opened up this box in another time-lapse unboxing. So now take a slower look and a closer look at the figure inside. Daily Life of Hee-dong. This is the character card. I snagged this at Singapore Comic Con 2003 with the Hee-dong shop direct itself. Of course I wish I had more, but this is what I could afford, and this is my pull. I'll put this aside. Have a look at my pull. What character is this? It's written here. Rugby? Looks like a rugby, but it's a different colorway tee. So is this a chase? I have no clue. I will find it online later if there's any information. Let's have a quick turnaround. Huge piece. I won't say huge, it's a largish piece. 3.5 inch. Nice details. ABS, it should be pretty solid, pretty hard. No articulation whatsoever. Nicely printed. The finishing is great though, I have to say. So yeah, this is a nice piece to be had. The day after I bought this, I saw the character, the creator Aaron Chen, having an autograph session, which is a bit of a waste. I would have loved to have this signed by him. But nevertheless, this is my blind box pull for Daily Life of Hee-dong. An NFT character turned to three-dimensional toy release. Details here. I will have still images onto my poster on my blog to go along with this video. So yeah, it's cool. Nice. I wonder what else is in the series. Anyway, this is Hee-dong. Thank you for watching. I'll see you folks again soon. Bye bye.